Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yeah. So let's continue with lines and angles. So this is the first question for today's class. In the given figure, L is parallel to M, T is a transversal. Angle 1 is 70 degrees. Find the measure of each of the remaining marked angles. Yeah, we'll not work this, we'll just discuss this. Tell me, if angle 1 is 70 degrees, what is the measure of angle 3?
70 degrees, ma'am. Vertically opposite.
Vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Vertically opposite angles. So angle 3 is also 70 degrees. Then if 3 is 70 degrees, what about 5?
70 degrees, ma'am. Alternate interior angles.
1 minute. Let's find 1 minute. We'll do this. Okay, we'll just do some order. We'll not do it randomly. Now 1 is 70 degrees. So angle 3 is also 70. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Now what's the measure of angle 2?
110 degrees, ma'am.
110 degrees. Linear pair, correct. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180. So if angle 1 is 70 degrees, angle 2 will be 110, linear pair. Then if 2 is 110, what is the measure of angle 4?
110 degrees.
Vertically opposite angles.
Vertically opposite angles are equal. So now we found 1, 2, 3, 4. Now using this, you can find the other angles. Now tell me, what's the measure of angle 5?
70 degrees, ma'am.
70 degrees, ma'am.
Alternate interior angles.
Equal. Yeah, because angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Angle 3 is equal to angle 5. So angle 3 is 70 degrees. So 5 is also 70. Alternate interior angles are equal. Or you can also say angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Corresponding angles are equal. Also, you can also say angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Corresponding angles are equal. Anything you can say. What's the measure of angle 6?
110, ma'am. We can say as linear pair and also corresponding angles to angle 2, ma'am.
Correct. You can say corresponding angles. Angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Corresponding angles are equal. Or you can say angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Alternate interior angles are equal. You can say 4 is equal to 6. Or you can say 2 is equal to 6. Okay, then now you found 5 and 6. You found 5 and 6. This is 70. This is 110. This is 110. This is 70. You found 5 and 6. 5 is 70 and 6 is 110. So what is 8?
110, ma'am. Vertically
110,
opposite.
ma'am.
Vertically opposite. Then 7.
70 degrees.
Correct. That's all. So when you're given one angle, you can find all the remaining angles. When two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, there are 8 angles formed around the transversal. If you know the measure of one of these 8 angles, you can find the remaining 7 angles. So maybe a question you can just make a note of the question and leave some space. You can work later, children. You know how to do it. Just take it in short. You don't have to write so much. Just draw the figure. I'll tell you what to do. I'll tell you. Just draw this figure. Mark parallel like this. Then just write if angle 1 is equal to 70 degrees, find the remaining angles. That's all. Just mark parallel like this. Draw this figure, mark parallel like this. Then write if angle 1 is equal to 70 degrees, find all the other angles. That's all. Write down the question and leave some space.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay. This is the next question, children. Write this in the same way. Just draw the diagram. Take this ratio. I'm just coming. There's somebody at the door. I'm just coming, children. So what's the relation between angle 1 and angle 2?
Linear pair,
Linear
ma'am.
pair, ma'am.
Linear pair. Linear pair, yes. Yeah. So how do you work? Angle 1 plus angle 2 is?
180 degrees, ma'am.
Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180, linear pair. Then 5x plus 4x, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
9x is equal to 180. X is equal to 20. So then what is 5x? 5 into 20, 100 degrees. And 4x is 4 into 20, 80 degrees. 80. So 5x, angle 1 is 100. Angle 1 is 100 degrees. This 100 degrees and angle 2 is 80 degrees. 2 is 80 degrees. So now you can find the remaining angles like we did in the earlier one. So with the ratio, you can find angles 1 and 2. 5:4. With that ratio, you can find the measure of angle 1 and angle 2. And then you can find the remaining angles with the help of these two angles. This we finished in the last class. Yeah, this we finished in the last CS children. This is the next one. Yeah, from here we'll work in the class. Please take down the figure and write the question. You need to draw the figure 2 times, children, once in the question and then in the solution again. This construction which I'm doing, you should show it in the solution, not in the question. Not in the question. You know which figure is the question figure and the solution figure. Please do that correctly. What I have marked extra is in the solution figure, not in the question figure. Yes, children, please write down the answer. Done, children? Finished writing?
Almost, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Completed, ma'am.
All right. Next class, we shall solve, the exercises from NCRT. That is in tomorrow's class. All right, children. So here we have to take up a construction. So the construction is through this point O. Through O, we need to draw. You can include that through O. You can just include through O, draw. Yeah. So through O, you need to draw a line L. You can name it anything. Okay, you can even take 2 points and call it X and Y also. Draw X, Y, whatever. So through O, draw L parallel to AB. Parallel to AB. So this is the construction. Draw L parallel to AB. I explained about this construction in one of the earlier classes. So I'm not talking about that now. So through O, draw L parallel to AB. But in the question, it's given that AB is parallel to CD. It's given AB is parallel to CD or CD is parallel to AB. So you can see here the two lines L and CD, they are parallel to the same line AB. The two lines L and CD, they are parallel to the same line AB. And we know that if two lines are parallel to the same line, they're parallel to one another. So since L is parallel to AB and CD is also parallel to AB, they are parallel to one another. L is parallel to CD. L is parallel to CD. So we write this result. So this is the construction. This is given. And from these two, we get a new result like this. This one is construction. This is given. From this construction and given, by comparing these two, we get a new result. L is parallel to CD. Now, you understand this. Mention the parallel lines, mention the transversal. Co-interior angles. Now this angle X, this full thing is X. This full thing is X. But because of the construction, it's the angle is divided. So I've called one part of it as A and the other part of it as B. X, is now divided into two angles. So let one part be A and let the other part be B. So A plus B is X. A plus B is X. So you can find A like this. Mention the parallel lines and the transversal. Find A, co-interior angles are supplementary. Again, mention the other set of parallel lines and the transversal. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Find B. X is equal to A plus B. I told you can produce, if you don't understand, you can produce the lines. 1 second, children. Yeah. So I've told you that to understand the angles, you can produce the lines. So produce it like this. Produce a transversal. See here. Can you see? Can you see the parallel lines? AB parallel to L, and this is the transfer. AO is a transversal. See here. AB parallel to L. AO is a transversal. AB is parallel to L, and AO is a transversal. See that? So 104 and B, they are co-interior angles. So they're supplementary. Similarly, produce CD and produce this. This is the transversal. CO. This is the transversal. This one is a transversal. Yeah. See, produce the line. Produce CD and produce a transversal CO like this. So you can see here. This is the parallel line. This is the parallel line. From the parallel line till the transversal. This is one interior angle. From the parallel line, this is the parallel line. From the parallel line till the transversal. And again, from the parallel line till the transversal. So these are co-interior angles, they're supplementary. So like that, we find B. X is equal to A plus B. Is that fine, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All,
Yes.
all right, children. So that's what it is. Yeah, this is the next one. Take down the question. So this is a question figure. This is the solution figure. This is the question figure. Take it down. Okay. Okay. We finished it. Let's see the answer. Find the value of where is X? Okay, reflex of BOD. They want you to find the reflex of BOD. Reflex of BOD is this angle. Reflex of BOD because BOD is X. BOD is X. Sorry, BOD is this angle. Sorry, BOD is this angle. Reflex of BOD is X. BOD is this angle. Reflex of BOD is this one. This is reflex of BOD. So whatever is reflex of BOD, that is only the value of X.
Completed, ma'am.
Good. So just work this in a different way. That's all. Because you can work this one the way we work the last one, using co-interior angles as supplementary. That is, x will become a and b. X will be divided into two angles a and b. You can find a and b using the property co-interior angles as supplementary, and then x is equal to a plus b. Like exactly we did the last one. Just for a variation, I worked it like this. We can work this sum the same way as we worked the last one, using the same properties, co-interior angles as supplementary. Just for a variation, just to know a way, just to show you a variation, I worked it like this. I've continued here, children, after writing a plus b plus x is 360, because the sum of all the angles, angle a plus b plus x, this full angle is x. You can see here, this is a, this is b, then the rest of it is x, is equal to 360. Sum of all the angles around a point is 360. Then I've continued here, 40 plus 35 plus x is 360, 75 plus x is 360. I've continued here. A reflex angle is an angle whose measure is more than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. A reflex angle is an angle whose measure is more than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. So we say, because when we say BOD, when we say BOD, BOD is this angle. BOD is this angle. So this one is a reflex of BOD. The reflex of BOD. When you say BOD, it is this angle. This is the reflex of BOD. Like, see, when you have an angle like this, say AOB, AOB. This is angle AOB. The rest of it around the point is reflex of angle AOB. Around a point when you have, to say two angles. So this is angle AOB. This is angle AOB. The rest of it is called reflex of angle AOB. Reflex of angle AOB. Yeah, finished, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Yeah, take down the figure. And find QRS. And find QRS.
Completed, ma'am.
Very good. What's the value of QRS? Yeah, I want you people to find the value of angle QRS. Please do that. Yeah, think. Very simple. Just one line answer.
Ma'am, angle QRA is 25 degrees.
1 minute, Madhumita, 1 minute. There's somebody at the door. I'll just come back, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children, thank you. Yeah, Madhumita, please continue.
Ma'am, is it 145 degrees?
The final answer, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
145. 1 second. Yeah, correct. You're right. Yeah, 145. So share your steps.
Ma'am, I actually didn't work it in exact steps. I randomly worked it out, so I'll just tell how I did it, ma'am.
Ah.
Ma'am, first I found the value of the co-interior angle of the 25 degrees, that is RQD.
Not RQB, QRB, right? This one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
QRD,
parallel line, transversal, parallel line. Correct. Yeah.
and that is 155 degrees, ma'am.
Okay.
With that, I found SRB, which is 25 degrees, ma'am. No, ma'am, that is actually for 60 degrees.
No, I don't understand. With that, you found this one, huh? This one.
Yes, ma'am, that can be 25 degrees.
Okay, that is directly alternate angles. Okay, fine. 1 minute, 1 minute. You found this one, you're saying. This is alternate angle. So parallel line, transversal, parallel line. This is 25, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
You found this using co-interior angles.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 155, correct? You're right. Yeah, then
And then I added 155 and 25. So, ma'am, I actually forgot the steps now.
no problem. Yeah, I understand. Okay, fine. No problem. Okay. So children, actually see here, follow this one. You can see a PQ is parallel to RS. You can see a PQ is parallel to RS. See here, PQ, this is the parallel line, transversal, parallel line. RS is parallel. RS and PQ are parallel to each other. See here, this is PQ. This is PQ. This is RS. This is RS. These two lines are parallel. It's given. So parallel lines and transversal. See, this is the transversal. This is the transversal. See, you can see a Z. You can see a Z. You can see a Z like this. Parallel line, transversal, parallel line like this. So these are alternate interior angles, and this is what you have to find. You'll have to find this angle. So if you find this angle, if you find the measure of this angle, alternate interior angles are equal. So that way you can find this angle. See, please understand this. This is that line PQ, transversal, and the other line RS. It's given that PQ is parallel to RS. Or we have to find this angle, for which if we find this angle, then alternate interior angles are equal. So that way you can find this angle. So in this figure here, parallel line, transversal, parallel line. Okay. You can see in the Z, this angle, and this angle. They're alternate interior angles, they're equal. Okay, so now this is 60. So this will be 120 linear pair. 120 plus 25, this angle is 145. You found this angle is 145. Alternate interior angles are equal. So this is also 145. See here. Parallel line. Now let me find this. This is 60, no? Let me go to the parallel line later. See here, this is 60. So straight line, this one will be 120, linear pair axiom. 120, linear pair axiom. Now, parallel line, transversal, parallel line. Where are the alternate interior angles? Parallel line, transversal, parallel line. Sorry. Parallel line, transversal, parallel line. So these are alternate interior angles and they're equal. You have to find this angle. Now we found this is 145. 120 plus 25, 145. So this is also 145 degrees. So your answer is right, Madhumita. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I didn't work it properly and worked it in bits, ma'am, so I don't understand how I got it.
Okay. Class, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Yeah, let's work it now. So you must first, you should first work it mentally. You must get the idea and then start working. You cannot start working. As soon as you read the question and see the figure, you cannot start working. You need to look at the figure, understand how the angle can be, found. So after gathering your thoughts, you must, put your thoughts on the paper. Like a theory paper, you cannot start writing straight away. So we need to read, see the figure, understand, and then get started.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So first we start with linear pair. CD is a straight line. CD is a straight line. CD is a straight line. So angle CQP, angle CQP plus angle CQP plus angle DQP, DQP is equal to 180. So CPQ is 60 plus D. Or children, you can just mark it like A. See, you can even mark it as A and just say 60 plus A is equal to 180. Okay, I started working like this, so let me continue. DQP is equal to 180. So angle DQP is equal to 120 degrees. So one part we found. Next, what are we supposed to do? Angle PQR. Be careful. Angle PQR. PQR is equal to 120 plus 25. 145 degrees. 145 degrees. PQR. Yes. Now PQ is parallel to RS and QR is a transversal. QR is the transversal. PQ is parallel to RS and QR is a transversal. Yes. So angle QRS, what we have to find, angle QRS, what we have to find is equal to angle PQR. Because they are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. So QRS is equal to what is the measure of PQR? We found 145 degrees. So QRS is 145 degrees. Please take down, children. Done, children?
1 minute, ma'am.
Okay. Class, use the emoji. Raise your hand. Netra, Tanishka, Madhumita, Arjun, and Srijana. All right. Yes, children. Please continue.
Completed, ma'am.
All right.
Completed, ma'am.
Others? Okay. What's the next question? Please take down the question and also draw the solution figure. Do that, children. I'll just come back.
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah, has anyone found the value of x?
Yes, ma'am, it's 40 degrees.
Yes.
How much is it?
40 degrees, ma'am.
40. Okay. Madhumita, I'll just, can I give somebody else a chance to express?
Yes, ma'am, no problem.
Yeah. Anybody else? I heard somebody else giving out the answer.
Ma'am, I too got 40 degrees, ma'am.
Tanishka. Tanishka, please tell us. How is it 40 degrees?
Ma'am, angle FEG is a transversal, ma'am.
Darling,
Oh.
first mention the parallel lines. Which are the parallel lines and then the transversal?
Yes, ma'am. A and D are parallel lines, ma'am. A and D and F and G are parallel lines, ma'am.
Okay, we'll not say A and B, F and G. Okay, AB parallel to FG. All right. AB
Yes.
is parallel to FG. Very good. Then transversal.
BE and CE, ma'am.
No. You should take only a set of parallel lines and one transversal at a time. First, which one did you take?
BE, ma'am.
And B is a transversal. B is a transversal. Very good. Okay.
Ma'am, and 120 and angle 1, ma'am.
This one is 1, no? This one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is 1. Okay.
Angle 1 plus 120 is equal to 4 interior angles, ma'am. 180 degree, ma'am.
Very good. So you got angle 1 is 60 degrees. Very good. That's correct. Next.
Next, AC and FG is parallel lines, ma'am.
AC. 1 minute. This part is right. Again, you're saying AC, yeah?
No, ma'am. CD and FG, ma'am.
CD. CD and FG. Yeah, okay. They're parallel. Okay.
And CE is a transversal, ma'am.
CE is a transversal. Very good.
And angle 2 plus 100 degrees is equal to co-interior angles, which is 180 degrees, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. So what's the measure of angle 2?
80 degrees, ma'am.
Super. Very good. Next.
And angle 1 plus angle x plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees, ma'am. Linear pair, ma'am.
Not linear pair. Linear pair. What do you mean by a pair? Two, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, but here we have three angles. Angle 1, x and angle 2.
Yes, ma'am.
So you shouldn't say linear pair. You must say sum of all the angles on a straight line is 180. Linear pair is used only when there's a line and a ray on it. The sum of two angles, pair. Pair meaning two angles. So the sum, if this is A and this is B, we say A plus B is equal to 180, linear pair. But if there's another angle, there's another ray like this, there's another angle C. Now we don't say A plus B plus C is 180, but the reason is not linear pair. Sum of all the angles on a straight line is 180. Very good, Tanishka. Very well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. All right, children. So let me just work it the way she's done it. So construction. I'll take down if you have not finished. Construction through E. Draw FG parallel to AB. Through E, draw FG parallel to AB. But it's given that CD is parallel to AB in the question. CD is parallel to AB. So from this, we get FG is parallel to CD. FG is parallel to CD. Now, AB is parallel to FG. That is by construction. AB parallel to FG is by construction. You can see here, AB is parallel to FG. That's by construction. And B is a transversal. BE is the transversal. So you can mark this as A. A plus 120 is equal to 180. Co-interior angles is supplementary. So you get A is equal to 60 degrees. Now, you can see it here. FG is parallel to CD or CD is parallel to FG. CD is parallel to FG and CE is a transversal. CE is the transversal. So we have, and mark this angle as B, and we have B plus 100. B plus 100 is equal to 180 co-interior angles. Co-interior angles is supplementary. So B is equal to 80 degrees. I'm continuing here. So now we know that FG is a straight line. FG is a straight line, FG is a straight line. So we have A plus X plus B is equal to 180 degrees. A is 60, X we have to find, B is 80 is equal to 180 degrees. So X is equal to 40 degrees. 180 minus 140, which is 40. We'll also do it in a different way, children. Please take down this if you have not finished. So the construction is very important. Through E, draw FG parallel to AB. Let me know if you finished writing, children. We'll do it now. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let me clear the slide. See, children, you can also do it like this. So as usual, the construction through E, draw FG parallel to AB. But CD is already given to be parallel to AB. So from this we have FG parallel to CD. Then you can say CD is parallel to FG and C is the transversal. C is the transversal. You can mark this as A, 100 plus A, or A plus 100 is equal to 180. A is equal to 80 degrees. Now AB is parallel to FG. BE is a transversal. BE is a transversal. We know that alternate angles are equal. See here, when two lines are parallel, parallel line, transversal, parallel line. This is 120, and this one is X and A together. X and A together. You can see it there. X and A together. See here, parallel line, transversal, parallel line. So this one, X plus A and 120, they're equal. This is 120. See a parallel line, transversal, parallel line. Parallel line, transversal, parallel line. These are alternate interior angles. This is 120. But here there are two angles, X and A. So angle BEG is equal to angle ABE, is equal to angle ABE. Alternate interior angles. BEG is equal to ABE. But what is BEG? X plus A. X plus A is equal to ABE is 120. But we found A is 80. X plus 80 is equal to 120. See, BEG is equal to ABE, alternate interior angles. What is BEG? BEG is X plus A. So X plus A is equal to, how much is ABE? 120. So X plus A is equal to 120. But A is 80. So X plus 80 is 120. So X is equal to 40 degrees. You can also do it like this. Yeah, make a note, children. Finish and let me know, children.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay.
Completed, ma'am.
All right.
Completed, ma'am.
This is your next question. Yeah, try it. I'll give you 5 minutes.
Ma'am, I found the answer.
Yeah,
It's
tell me.
50 degrees, ma'am.
50.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you explain, Madhumita?
Yes, ma'am. We have to draw a line, imaginary line.
This is parallel, so let me just pull it. It's parallel, so you can just pull it like this. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
I extended CD, ma'am.
CD, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am, the other side.
Oh, you're on the other side. Okay. That means you must say you extended DC.
Yeah, ma'am. I
DC.
extended DC.
Okay.
So, angle, let's name that point Y, ma'am.
This one, Y.
No, ma'am, the point where it intersects on the line.
Okay.
So, angle YAB is 50 degrees, and the corresponding angle EYC is also 50 degrees, ma'am.
Correct. Correct. Then, using which property?
Corresponding angles property, ma'am.
That's fine. 50-50, I understood. Then, after that, how did we find X?
No, ma'am. After that, I found E and the interior and ECY, ma'am.
Why did we find that? You should have used the exterior angle property, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you found this angle and
Yes,
you
ma'am. That
found
is
this
80
angle.
degree, and 50 plus 80 is 130 degree, and 180 minus 130 is 50 degrees, ma'am.
Perfect, very good. But you're right. Everything is correct. Very good. All
Yes,
right, children. So this is one of the ways you can produce DC. Produce DC to intersect AE at Y. Produce DC to intersect AE to intersect AE at Y. At Y. You can do that. You can produce a line. So you're producing this line DC to intersect AE at Y. Now, since this is it's given that this is parallel to this one. So this is an extension. You're just producing it. So these two lines are parallel. And this is the transversal. So corresponding angles are equal. This is 50 degrees. Now you can say 50 plus x is equal to 100. Exterior angle property. In this triangle, see, you can see a triangle on the top. You can see a triangle on the top, and this is the exterior angle. This is x. This is 50. This is 100. Exterior angle is equal to sum of the two interior opposite angles. So x plus 50 is equal to 100. X is equal to 50. I'm going to work it like that. Yeah, very good. I'm going to work it like that now. I'll go with her construction, Madhumita's construction. Okay. Okay, so construction, produce DC to meet AE at F. This is how you express that. Produce DC to meet AE at F. Okay, so now it's given. We know that AB is parallel to CD. It's marked there. You can see here, and it's also given. It's marked here. AB is parallel to CD. So AB parallel to CD, and the transversal is, you can say AF or AE, anything. Okay, so AE is a transversal. AE is the transversal. AE is a transversal. So corresponding angles are equal. Let me mark this angle. Let me mark this one as A. Okay. Is a transversal. Transversal. So A is equal to 50 degrees. Corresponding angles are equal. Or if you want, you can write this extra step. See here. You can name the angles like this. Angle EFC is equal to angle FAB. FAB. Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. So what is EFCA? Angle A is equal to FAB is 50 degrees. Now you should say in triangle E or CEF, angle ECD is the exterior angle. So angle ECD is equal to A plus X, exterior angle property. So A plus X, A is 50 and X, sorry, ECD is 100. I didn't substitute here. 1 minute. Just a minute, children. Yeah, is the exterior angle. So the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. So the interior opposite angles are A and X, A plus X. Oh, I wanted to write like this. Sorry. Yeah. Angle, what is that? EFC. You don't have to write all this, just in case you want to write it like this. EFC plus FEC. FEC is equal to angle ECD, exterior angle property. So EFC is A plus FEC is X is equal to 100. We'll continue here. So A we found 50 plus X, which we have to still find, is equal to 100. X is equal to 50 degrees. So the value of X is 50 degrees. Yes, children, please take this down. Let me know once you finish writing, children.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay.
Completed, ma'am.
Anybody still writing? I'll wait. Okay. Yes, children. This is the next one. Let's try this. Yes, this is a solution, children. Please take it down.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay.
Completed, ma'am.
All right. Was that Netra?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, children, let me explain now. So the construction is, children, through E. See here, through E. Draw EF. Through E, draw EF. Draw EF. Parallel to CD. You can say parallel to AB or parallel to CD, anything. So if you say EF parallel to CD, construction. But you already know that AB is parallel to CD. So when you compare these two, EF is parallel to AB. EF is parallel to AB. So this is how you should always start. All right. In figures like these. Now take up two lines which are parallel to each other and a line that is a transversal that intersects them. So see here, AB parallel to EF. AB, see here, this is AB. AB parallel to EF. Parallel to EF. And AE is the transversal. AE is the transversal. So how can you see here AB, AE, and EF like this? So these angles are co-interior angles and they are supplementary. That's what I've written here. That's what I've written here. Now this angle is made up of 25 and A. This angle is made up of 25 and A. This is 25 and A together, 25 plus A. This is 105. So how do you write? 25 plus A plus 105 is equal to 180 because 25 plus A is one angle and 105 is the other angle is equal to 180. So when you work this, you can find the value of A. You can find the value of A. Next, take the other set of parallel lines. You already took, AB parallel to EF, this one. AB parallel to EF, this one. Now, this CD is parallel to EF. CD is parallel to EF, this one. CD parallel to EF, your construction. CD parallel to EF. So you can see that CD is parallel to EF. There's a transversal like this, and this is EF. There's X here, there is A here, there's A here. This is CD. This is CD, transversal CE, and EF, which is the other line. So you can see these two angles, X and A, and they are co-interior angles. So they are supplementary. So X plus A is equal to 180. X plus A is equal to 180. But we already know A is 50. So on solving that, you'll get X is 130 degrees. Okay. Let me show you again. So see here, AB, this is the path line AB. AE is a transversal, and this is EF. This is EF. So these two angles are co-interior angles are supplementary. This is 105. This is 105. See, the other angle is this full thing. Don't see these lines still in the middle. Don't see these lines in the middle. Just look at those two parallel lines and the transversal. Take away, remove all that which is disturbing your, your focus. Take away, remove those lines which is disturbing the focus. That is why I draw it separately like this and show you. See, if something here in between is disturbing your focus, remove that and draw the figure. Remove that and draw the figure. So you can draw AB. This is AB. This is a transversal AE. And this is that line EF, which is parallel. This is that AB. This is that EF. And this is a transversal AE. So these angles are co-interior angles. That is 105 and this angle, they are co-interior angles. Or here itself you can produce, see here. Produce it, produce it. Produce it. You can see this angle and this angle, the co-interior angles are supplementary. So 25 plus A, I call this A, plus 105 is equal to 180. You can find the value of A. Next, CD is a CD and EF are the parallel lines, and CE is a transversal. CE is a transversal. We mark this as A. So A plus X or X plus A is equal to 180. Same reason, co-interior angles are supplementary. Parallel line, transversal, parallel line. So these two angles, the co-interior angles are supplementary. So like that, you can find the value of X. Yes, children, we'll wind up today's session with this one. Yeah, find the values of X, Y, Z. You can finish it, you can complete it later. Children, just answer the question. What's the value of X? Quick. All the lines are parallel. A, B, C, D, E, F, all are parallel. Quickly, you can tell me the value of X.
$90 degrees, ma'am.
X is 90. Oh. You're trying to say corresponding angles, Madhumita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, fine. Which are the parallel lines, Madhumita?
AB, CD, and EF.
But you now, to use a property, you will be taking only two lines. So which are the two lines?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
So according to you, you're taking, AE and BE as the two lines. And this is a transversal. And you have a feeling that since this is 90, this is also 90, corresponding angles are equal. Correct?
But they're not parallel lines, ma'am.
Yeah, they're not parallel lines. Correct. They're not parallel lines. So see here, we feel that this line and this line, these are the two lines, and this is the transversal. Yeah, these are meaning by the position, they are corresponding angles, but the lines are, they're not parallel lines, so they're not equal.
So they're not equal, ma'am.
They're not equal. They are corresponding angles by the position. By the position, they are corresponding angles, but they are not equal because the lines are not parallel. See here, this line is not parallel to this line, but they are corresponding angles. Yes, children. X, value of X.
Ma'am, 115 degrees.
Perfect. How?
Ma'am, let's say AG is parallel to AB is parallel to EF, ma'am, and the transversal is BE.
Okay, 1 minute. AG is parallel to EF. It's given. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
And the transversal is EB.
Is what? Transversal is?
EB, ma'am.
EB. Correct. EB is a transversal.
Let's not look at the line CH, ma'am, and 60x and 65 degrees are co-interior angles, ma'am.
Correct. X and 65 degrees are co-interior angles.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
they are supplementary.
Yes, ma'am.
X plus 65 is equal to
180 degrees, ma'am.
180. So X is equal to 150 degrees. Very good. Very good. So these are the parallel lines. It's given they are parallel and this is the transversal. So they're clearly co-interior angles and they're supplementary. Don't see the unnecessary lines in the middle. If they're disturbing your focus, you draw this figure alone separately. Make a rough sketch in the rough column, then you can get it. So X is equal to 115. This is 115, correct. What's Y? What's the value of Y?
115, ma'am. They're
Reason?
corresponding angles.
Corresponding angles. Which are the parallel lines?
AB and CH, ma'am. CD, ma'am.
CD. It's given C here. AB, C, you can say AB or AG. AG is an extension of AB. So AG is parallel to CH also you can say because CD and it's an extension. So AB is parallel to CD or AG is parallel to CH and which is a transversal?
BD, ma'am.
BD or BE is a transversal. It's a transversal. So corresponding angles you can see here. Y and 115 are corresponding angles. See from the transversal till the parallel line Y. From the transversal. Sorry?
Ma'am, we can also say CH is parallel to EF and take DE as the transversal, and Y and 65 degrees are co-interior angles, and we can also find Y like that.
Yeah, correct. CD is parallel to EF, transversal, Y plus 65 is equal to 180, co-interior angles are supplementary. That also you can do. So Y is equal to now, from what we understood now, Y is equal to 115, corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. What's the value of Z? Yeah. What's the value of Z, children?
– 25 degrees, ma'am.
How much?
25.
How?
Ma'am, Z plus 65 is 90 degrees, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, because angle GAE is 90 degrees and angle FEA should also be 90 degrees, ma'am. So they form co-interior angles are 180 degrees.
Correct. So again AG is parallel to EF, but the transversal is different. AE is a transversal now. See here, AB or AG is parallel to EF. And the transversal is AE. This is the transversal. So this is 90 is given. This is 90 is given. This angle plus this angle will be 180. Co-interior angles are supplementary. But here you have Z and 65. You can see there. These are the parallel lines. These are the parallel lines. And this is the transversal. This is the transversal. This is marked 90. And here we have Z and 65 together. Z and 65. One part is Z, the other part is 65. Now, it's very clear that these angles are co-interior angles. So they're supplementary. So 90 plus Z plus 65. Z plus 65 is one angle. Is one angle. So Z plus, this angle is Z plus 65. Z plus 65 plus 90. This one is 90. Z plus 65 plus 90 is equal to 180. Co-interior angles are supplementary. So Z is equal to 180 minus 155, 25 degrees. 25 degrees. Very good. All right, children, this alone I'll work and I'll share the answer on WhatsApp.
Yes, ma'am.
Discussed, I'll show the steps, meaning I'll work it with the steps and share the answer on WhatsApp. Or if you're confident about your working, you can finish it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Thank you, children.